waiting for my bus to go to my doctor's appointment for my IV infusions. Let's go. Getting really good at being independent again. My first time riding the spot bus to my doctor's appointment, so she'll be all right. There's my bus. Hi. Going to the hospital? Thank you. Thank you, sweetie. I'll be getting to know you more. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. I think I have to go across the street. Gosh, I'm really early. Let's see if they'll take me in before my appointment so I can get out of here sooner. I did this last time. I went in the wrong way. Okay, go back around. It's okay. Hello, how are you? I'm early, but can I sign in early for my appointment?
Absolutely.
Is this where I sign?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Just your first name.
Thank you. I'm here at my appointment. Okay, I'm prepped. They just have saline right now. They're mixing up my iron concoction in the lab, in the pharmacy. And the staff here is amazing. They're always so sweet. I have a pillow. My legs are up. Sticky stuff on here.
Matthew 18, verses 32 and 34. When the master called.
Today we are going, well, I'm going, but I'm going to take you guys with me to go to Cedar Hill Street Bridge Shopping Center place. I've been there before. I've taken everyone there before. And go get my hair done. Well, more like a touch up, but yeah. And we'll be taking the spot bus and we will be on foot. So let's go. first time riding the spot bus to downtown Sandpoint. It's been a learning curve, but it's also been very, very good. I wanted to do something different and take the bus by Walmart, which is just right down the street from where I'm at. Just because I had a little extra time. I wanted to walk a little bit. It's a beautiful day. Oh, it's a nice little seating area. Cute. There's where I work. Yeah, that messed me up. So, but it's okay. My boss has worked with my schedule to help me get like a ride from the fairgrounds to over there. So it's okay.
There's a gal in the morning.
One here, like 10 minutes. There's an access point
Right after
to the
they built
lake.
this
It's like
bridge.
a boat launch, and we just
Shit,
finished right
this
off the
thing.
dock.
Today is going to be pretty adventurous again. I'm learning to take the bus to my future doctor's place, but we'll see. I'm still kind of investigating and kind of seeing who's going to be the best fit for my iron stuff. So yeah, that's going on, and then I'm also going to attempt for the first time taking the bus to Celebrate Recovery. So I'm actually excited. I'm really doing a good job, and it's really easy getting around. So yeah, let's get going. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. I forget which stop. It's
Phoenixville?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
Where am I going?
That's so funny.
But this is my 6th year doing it, so I got it down. Best job I've ever had.
appointment. Now we're gonna be on a little mission to, oh, I got a matcha drink too, so good. Now to get to Parkside Church. I think the bus will be here soon. But yeah, so far it's been a success. Look at the clouds. Beautiful. It's coming. Yay, I think I got it down. Yay, here it is. Yay. You're back.
I'm back.
I'm so happy to see you. Thank you. I thought I was going to mess up to the library.
Oh, to the library.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I was so nervous. I was like... Success. I found where I needed to get to. Thank you, God.
Yeah, but there's like another part, like every
I'm gonna play it the way you're playing it.
That was really good.
Yeah, I feel like I was like early 2000s, like now rock worship. Love it. Can we throw a little Jeremy Camp in there? I was just jamming on that one. That one was fun. Because it's like. guys thinking there?
I was wondering, yes, I will.
Oh yes.
And then I'm gonna do harmony in that one, so you guys will do it.
She's all, can we do the harmony so you can kind of about that? No,